Today my daughter's birthday. I haven't seen her from January 2020. 6 years I haven't seen her. After abuser Marcus Flowers took her to Georgia. Before that, in January 2016, he forced me to sign his divorce papers under threats of death. Then he kicked me out on the street with nothing, in Oklahoma. In front of shelter. Cheater Marcus Flowers, who cheated on me with mistress Sandra House, forced me to sign his divorce papers under threats, kicked me out in the street, and basically stole from me my daughter. On that way, he don't have to pay the money that I loan him, that I give him from my relatives, and he don't have to pay custody, child support. He perjured in the court that allegedly I voluntarily came on the streets with nothing and without my daughter. He committed a perjury in the court, multiple perjuries. But corrupt judge ignored all facts of abuse and give him physical custody and ignore my request to get a custody of her. We have joint custody on a paper only. In effect, he have her and I don't have any contacts with her. 0 contacts. That is against the order. I'm supposed to freely contact with her, but abuser decided no, I'm not supposed to have contacts with her. And all my request petitions to court are dismissing. From August 2019, when abuser decided cut off all contacts with my daughter, he constantly violated the order, constantly. And from that moment, I cannot enforce him to follow the order. I haven't seen her 6 years because he took her to another state, to Georgia. Obviously, to me, there's no justice in this legal system. I cannot enforce the abuser to even follow the order. So I have to just leave my videos on YouTube. I try numerous times with petition to district court, to Supreme Court, try to get legal aid from Oklahoma Legal Aid, and they lie that they not provide family law assistance. That is a lie. They paid for provide legal assistance, but they don't. I try to enforce abuser to follow the order and several times, but instead his attorney Philip Tucker make a request for me to pay his fees when I try to enforce him to follow the order, to get in contact with my daughter. But instead of that, corrupt judge Elizabeth Kerr dismissed my petition and she complied, pay fees, his attorney's fees, Philip Tucker fees. That I have nothing to do with that attorney. He's not my attorney. When I try to enforce abuser to follow the order, his attorney put liens on my property, 2 liens. Altogether it's $15,000. So here's in USA, no justice. When a victim trying to comply, abuser to follow the order, when victim trying to obtain justice, corrupt judges make more damage for victims, not for abusers, not trying to follow the justice or law. Everything here is absolutely opposite. Corrupt judges protect abusers' interests. But here's bad news for abuser Marcus Flowers, who slandered me and stole from me my baby. I'm not gonna give up. I will fight every day till I get my daughter back, till my rights gonna be restored, till I obtain the justice.